Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be sharing something different, but I hope you are as excited as I am. I am sharing vegan Thanksgiving Spanish food recipe, and my special guest here is my mom, Maribel, but she's also known as Mama's Vegan Cooking. And we just put together some quick and very easy but delicious Spanish recipes that are veganized for you to do for Thanksgiving. And even if you're not a vegan, but you might have a vegan coming over, these are recipes that the whole family would love. So yeah, so tell them a little bit about yourself.
Hi, once again, my name is Maribel, Stephanie Mom. You can follow me at Mommasveganscookin. I have other recipes there. I'm vegan for 2 years now. I love cooking my Spanish food, and a lot of people doesn't know how easy it is when you're vegan and you do make your Spanish food. So we are making today arroz con gandules. Something very quickly and fast to make and very delicious.
And for those of you that don't know what that is, that's just Spanish rice, usually people call it. It's just yellow rice with the green pigeon peas in. So we are sharing our secret recipe with you.
Yes. So you can see that it's not that hard. Like a lot of people's like, oh, we gotta buy the Spanish food in the package, but you don't need it. You could do it at home, fresh and made.
Yeah, we're doing Spanish rice now. Once this is in the pot cooking, we're also gonna share with you Spanish vegan empanadas. We will be sharing with you guys how we make them vegan as well. So let's get into it.
Okay, so we are using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is a small red onion. Red and green pepper. For the 3 minutes on, we get our green onion. This is 2 green onions I chopped. Smells so good in here. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, of onion powder, garlic powder, less than a half a teaspoon of oregano, cilantro, that gives color to the rice, 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic. Move everything around. This is fresh tomato sauce, tomato paste. This is a tablespoon and a half. Fresh cilantro. Just put it in there. It has some water. There's 3 cups of white rice. Mix it all up. Got all that color in there. A lot of people, they put the rice in the water to do it like this better. I feel like for some reason the rice won't be like too moist. There, we'll put our garbanzo beans. Mix it all up. 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Put that on top. 1 cup of vegetable broth, 3 cups of water. So we use 3 cups of rice and 3 cups of water with the vegetable broth, half a teaspoon of white vinegar. There we go. And now we move our rice. Now it's getting dry. If you want, before the water gets dry, you could taste the water, see if it needs a little bit more salt. Okay, we move our rice one more time. And once the rice is like this, perfect. Pour in the middle. And we take a little bit of water, like a shot glass, you could say, and we put it right there. And then we'll put some cilantro over on the top like that, and then we'll get either waxing paper, aluminum paper over the pot. That's for the steam to cook the rice. Here we go. We do this. This is a Spanish secret. And then we put the pot temperature on number 2. All right, guys.
Okay, guys. So while the Spanish rice is cooking, we are gonna prep our empanadas. But before we get into the disc part, we do have to season and prep our vegan meat, and we use the brand Gardein. I'll put it right here for you, and it's just the beefless. So all right, so let's get into seasoning this and cooking it, and yeah, let's do this.
Half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic, less than half a teaspoon of oregano. So I'll use maybe less than half of that too. Fresh garlic, 1 green onion, and half of a small onion of the red onion. Mix it in there. Use a little bit of soy sauce on it. Tomato sauce. Now move the whole thing around. Now we'll cook it. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, now we're gonna check our rice.
Don't cover the light too.
It's been 20 minutes now. Put this up like this so you won't burn yourself. Now, it's a little hot. Take it out. Look at that. Now we'll take the rest of the oil, maybe a little. Turn it around like this. Like that. then we take the middle and we keep it right in the middle. And we don't know what it is. Here we go. Close it back. Lower a little bit more and leave it for another 10 more minutes. Okay, so our meatless is done for our empanadas, so we're gonna get ready to wrap them up and show you how to do it.
I'm excited.
Okay, we'll take 1 tablespoon, put it,
1 tablespoon.
yeah, like a tablespoon,
Well,
but full, you know, not like a, okay. Now we close it like this. Take our fork and we close it out. Push it down. We do 2 little, we pinch it in. We're not gonna fry these, by the way, we're gonna bake them. These are not gonna be fries, they're gonna be baked. Okay guys, you can either fry them or bake them. But I just want to show you guys that
just the 2 little holes there.
yeah, I just want to show you guys that you could also bake them. A lot of people don't know how to bake it, so I always like to pull it a little bit, like towards out like that. You having a problem there?
Yeah, I am. I'm good, I'm good.
Ooh, we finished.
All right, so now let's put these babies in the oven.
$15 minutes. Start. There we go. Okay, guys, now we're gonna check our rice. Look how beautiful that looks. Now we're gonna take the middle and open it up and just take this out like this. Just pull it out. Okay guys, we're gonna mix everything up. And there we go. Turn off our stove. And there's our beautiful rice. Okay, now it's time to pull it out. And turn them. When you see that circles there, that means that it's time to flip.
timer?
15 more minutes. Our empanadas, our baked empanadas. So here we go. There we go, guys. Baked empanadas.
Perfect.
You could fry them if you want, but less fat in there. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys, and that was our recipe. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed having my mom in this with me. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let us know if you give this a try for Thanksgiving or just like on a regular day. By all means, it's so good. You don't want to miss out on this recipe. So we will have another video coming up next week with 2 other vegan Thanksgiving Spanish food recipes. So I hope you guys have a great night. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.